Today is Saturday, August 11th. The time is 10:05 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Topps Tier 1 Baseball Break, break number 13. Good luck, everybody. First card, Astros, autograph, Jimmy Parodies, serial numbered 311 out of 350. Next for the Marlins, Gabby Sanchez, autograph, serial numbered 340 out of 399. Rays, Jimmy Shields, jersey, serial numbered 167 out of 399. The last card, Angels, jersey, Dan Herron, serial number 219 out of 399. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for baseball, I have another 2012 Topps Tier 1 box break. Also listed ending tomorrow, 2012 Topps Finest Baseball. For football box breaks, 2012 Topps Inception. And ending tomorrow, 2011 Panini Gold Standard Football. For hockey box breaks, 2011-12 Panini Titanium. Also 2011-12 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection. For basketball box breaks, both 2011-12 Panini Gold Standard and Panini Limited.